So I want to recommend a great company I'm working with, F16 Media, Muhammad. Muhammad is very knowledgeable, first of all, about Facebook, especially Facebook branding, Facebook ads for home service-based businesses. I own an AIR DUCT cleanings business, and I started working with Muhammad after bad experience with some companies. And I didn't believe at first. I actually thought it's like risky. It's too good to be true. But I always like to try, at least to give it a shot, because if one of the 10 times it will be right, I will make big profit sometimes. So in this time it was right. So Muhammad promised me at least 70 pre-qualified leads. So when Muhammad promised pre-qualified leads, it means like leads that actually knows and awaiting your calls, people that interested. I know Facebook sometimes can be a little bit less, how can I say, less intention leads than Google ads, for example, but Muhammad knows how to exactly make them high intent leads. So he promised, he delivered. The first month we received like 40 leads with like $1,000 spent. And the second month he promised me, at the first month he promised me if we don't get the first 70 leads, he promised me the second month we will get them. And we got the second month more than 100 leads, I think, on less than 2K budget. I made like 5 to 6 ROI. I cannot recommend enough. Basically, what I wanted to say that Muhammad is a man of his word. It's first of all, he will provide the leads, at least on the home service businesses, that he knows how to do it. He knows the stuff. You will get leads. I received 5 to 7 ROI on my second month with F16 Media, and the communication is great, and everything was without branding. So my page is new page without many posts, and he managed to do it on a new page. So anyone who is in the air duct cleaning especially, I really recommend to use Muhammad, and I'm doing it to him because I recommend him because I know that a recommendation for a good guy, you cannot always like get good guys in the industry, because he really knows the stuff. So yeah, definitely try. You have guarantees, and nobody in the industry never guarantees leads. It's like there is no such a thing. That's what made me contact him. I saw his YouTube video about air duct leads, and he guarantees, absolutely guarantees, and he delivers. So if you have an air duct or home service business, definitely try, and you will not regret it.